here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Don't know which field it is. The material's been wetted, the rule's in millimetres. Might clean up to be a small stone there. Otherwise you can just cut this into a shape. Still got mud on the outside, whether it goes into much more colour. There's a little bit of poking through there. Purple's on the back. That's that stone there. Still got clay on it again. But this purple goes underneath here. So that might clean up to be a small stone. Another piece there. Another bit round the back. This is lower grade beginner material. Just slice that off and cut it the way it is there. Perhaps. Oh, that could go through. Maybe grind that off there first. See if you've got colour there. Anyway, it's only a low grade parcel. Something to get started on. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.